Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss some facts about aliens on Earth and the classification of extraterrestrials. So starting with the facts, alien craft from other world have crashed on Earth and they are both from the ultra dimension source and within this dimension. Early US government effort at acquiring technology were successful and has had leave alien hostage at that time. The US government has conducted autopsy on alien dead bodies, whereas the US intelligence agency and security agency are involved in the cover of fact pretending to the situation. People have been and currently are abducted, mutilated, murdered and kidnapped as a result of UFO situation. There is a current alien presence on this planet among us that control different elements of our society. Alien forces maintain bases on Earth and on the Moon. The US government has had a working relationship with the alien force of some time, with the purpose of gaining technology in gravitational propulsion, beam weaponry and mind control. Millions of cattle have been killed and in the process of acquiring biological material. Both alien and US government are responsible for mutilation, but for different reasons. We live in a multidimensional world that is overlapped and visited by aliens, entities from other dimensions. Many of those entities are friendly and many of them are not friendly. The basis for our genetic development and religious lies in our intervention by the non-terrestrial and terrestrial forces. The truth about our actual technology far exceeds that perceived by the public. The United States space program of today is a cover-up operation that exists for the public relation purpose. People are being actively killed in order to suppress the fact about the situation. The CIA and the NSA are involved so deeply that exposure would cause collapse of their overt situation. So now I will come to the extraterrestrial classification. The first is guest. They are invited aliens with the authorization of US government to stay on Earth. Second is visitors. Aliens who have come to Earth for unknown mission. And the third is prisoners, captured aliens by the US government and other governments. The fourth one is researchers, aliens who have come to Earth for scientific motives. And the fifth one is intruders or malevolents, aliens who are dangerous for our civilization because they don't respect our society. Sixth is neutrals, aliens who just observe our civilization and never interfere with us. And the seventh is colonizers, small group of aliens who have decided to live among us, like us. And the last one is the interactors, small group of aliens who have decided to interfere with our history, making changes when it possible. So thank you for watching the video till the end. Make sure to subscribe my channel and help me to reach 500 subscribers by sharing my videos and channel. Thank you.